Hi, my name is Tiffany Olson, and I'm a trainer with Workshops That Work. My background is in speech communications. I started doing competitive public speaking when I was in elementary school and then continued through high school and undergraduate. And then I earned my master's degree in speech communication and started teaching in the college classroom as part of my graduate school. And then I stuck with it for the last 20 plus years. I've also worked in the business world, in marketing and sales, and got to work in a corporate environment. And then I transitioned to corporate coaching and working with individuals in the business setting to help make their communication skills stronger and help to make them more confident, effective communicators. I offer one-on-one coaching and small group workshops and large group presentations. And we can do all of the work remotely or in person. We really try and have fun. I want to make this enjoyable for the attendees, and so we use a variety of teaching methods and small group interaction and writing prompts and practical application. We have a lot of fun and we engage with one another, and I'm able to tailor all of my coaching to the specific client and their needs. Regardless of the format that the coaching takes, I love being able to leave attendees with practical tools that they can implement immediately. The thing that really lights me up when it comes to coaching is when I get an opportunity to work with a client who maybe lacks confidence in sharing his or her ideas with the world. And so when I'm able to give some knowledge and practice with that individual, and they feel more confident sharing their ideas with the world and speaking up in a meeting, that makes it all worth it. The thing that I love most about the workshop setting is getting to work with a client and really tailor the workshop content to that company's culture. I love that we can meet people where they are and maybe prepare them for a specific conference that's coming up. I just love being able to tailor it to each individual group. I've been able to work with large companies and also smaller not-for-profits, and even been called in to work with a salesperson who just needed some helpful strategies to make a more effective pitch to a future client. And I love having the ability to talk to a wide variety of people in a variety of industries. If you're interested in more information, I'd love the opportunity to talk with you further about how we can work together in the future.